11, and we'll talk about phytobiotics in crustacean aquaculture, innovation in herbal-based solutions.
Hello everyone, good morning. I am Yushinta from Hasanuddin University. My presentation title today is Phytobiotics in Crustacean Aquaculture, Innovations in Herbal-based Solutions. The background of this research is because crustacean aquaculture is a crucial element in global seafood production. Unfortunately, the sector faces several challenges, include disease outbreaks, antibiotic resistance, and environmental issues associated with intensive farming practices. So, what's the solution? One of an alternative approach to reducing antibiotic in aquaculture by using medicinal plants or phytobiotics. So the importance of phytobiotics is because the phytobiotics is a natural alternative to synthetic chemicals and antibiotics in aquaculture. This is a promising solution. But there are the challenges because the fragmented research and has not yet been fully adopted by the industry. So these challenges need to answer the challenges. Important to understand global research trends and gaps to determine future research direction. So the objectives of this research is to identify research gaps and future research direction. The methodology we use using bibliometric analysis from Scopus database between 2000 to 2024, and we are using First Viewer to analyze publication trends, co-authorship, keyword clusters, and also citation pattern. The result of this analysis, as you can see in this slide, the publication trends in the use of herbs, phytobiotics, and prebiotics in crustacean aquaculture growing well, and this is the indicators if these topics getting attention from researchers in the world. You can see in the slide if the leading country in this research come from ASEAN and also America, and the first one come from India, and then followed by China, Indonesia, United States, Brazil, and others. In this slide, you can see the collaboration network for this study for the phytobiotic research across the continental, and there are 5 clusters. Yeah, you can see this is the different colors is explain the different country in the network research. This is the keyword co-occurrence map, and in this slide you can see at least there are 3 clusters. The red cluster Here, the red clusters emphasizes the exploration of plant extracts and their properties, including antimicrobial and antioxidant effects, as well as its potential toxicity. And the green cluster highlights the importance of specific aquaculture species, particularly crustaceans like shrimp. And the blue cluster emphasizes on understanding and enhancing the immune response and physiological process in culture species. This is the table to show you the most citation, and from our analysis, the most citation come from Citarasu in 2010 with the title Herbal Biomedicines. It's a new opportunity for aquaculture industry, and they get more than 500 citation. Yes, this is emerging topics and future research, and as you can see in this slide, the future research leading to study underscores the potential of phytobiotics and probiotics in promoting sustainable and antibiotic-free practices in crustacean aquaculture. So after a deep analysis, we have found if the research gap, at least there are three, namely lack of standardized dosing protocols, unknown mechanism of action, and limited large-scale trials. So for the future, we will need to make research in large-scale field trials and also long-term studies. And the interesting one, we need collaboration between interdisciplinary, not only from aquaculturists, but also with the veterinary and pharmaceutical science. We need also the innovative delivery systems like encapsulation and targeted release. Okay, finally, the conclusion of this presentation, namely, for the first one, the incorporation of herbal ingredients and phytobiotics in crustacean aquaculture has emerged as a promising alternative to synthetic antibiotics, aligning with global initiatives to reduce antibiotic dependency in aquaculture. And the second one is the research primary focus on essentials oil, polyphenols, and alkaloids, such as their function as growth promoters, immunostimulants, and antioxidants in shrimp and crayfish. But there are still few researchers who publish their research on crayfish, crabs, and lobsters in Scopus licensed journals. For the third one, the several research gaps, particularly is standardizing dosage protocols, elucidating mechanism of action, and ensuring large-scale field application. And lastly, is the future research should prioritize interdisciplinary approaches that integrate biotechnology, microbiome studies, and advanced delivery systems to enhance the efficacy and scalability of phytobiotics. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you very much for your kind attention.